Hi guys, it's John here, Tameside Handyman. So I planned on doing some extra videos, some instructional videos on certain products, and also some product videos of my supply and fit items. Now I've got a couple here which are taps. I'll be fitting these this week actually, so I thought it was a good opportunity to show you. Now this is a standard wash basin, so obviously for your bathroom. It's quite a nice little unit. Obviously it's a mono tap. Now mono tap, for those of you who don't know, means obviously it's just got a single spout and it gets mixed within the tap as opposed to two separate taps. So if you're ordering one of these off me, or in fact if you're buying one from somewhere else, that's what you're looking for, a mono, if you only have one tap at the moment. You can't go from one to the other, so you can't go from 2 to 1 or 1 to 2. That's what your wash basin is designed to hold. Now that's a mono one. This is the what I'd call the budget end. But that said, it's a very good quality, and I've installed a few of these. They're very nice. There are more expensive ones, and I'll be listing more as time goes on for supply and fit. There you go. It looks quite big on the screen obviously, but it's see, I haven't got the measurements, but I can provide those on the website, so that gives you an idea. That's my hand. Okay, so that's a nice little mono wash basin tap that I'll be supplying and fitting this week. And again, this one, I'll have to go back here because it's quite large. Larger than the other one, simply because this one is for a kitchen. It's a kitchen sink. So I'll go a bit closer so that you can have a look. Okay, and obviously they turn quarter turn. So a quarter turn just basically means that it's on full within a quarter of a turn. This is also available as a supply and fit on my website. Okay, I've fitted quite a lot of these over the past couple of years, I'd say, but there are others available, and as and when I get my hands on them, I will show you them. Actually, there are pictures available, but obviously sometimes it's just nice to be able to, see them from different angles. See how shiny they are and what type of handles they've got. Again, just another quick look at that. So that's for your wash basin in your bathroom. It goes up and down like that. And that's the kitchen one. Both of these are available for a supply and fit on my website, which is handymantameside.com. That's handymantameside.com.